it's more like that we're going to see the recession starting around mid this year. So June this year would be my guess at this point here, that we could see the recession set in. And from that moment, I mean, actually a couple of months before that, I would think that the stock market top would be in and the crypto market. So I think we'll have a very strong rally into April, something like that, maybe March, April. And then we should see a flattening thing, and then we should start to see the decline. And then the economy will simply just, we'll just see the deterioration there, and we'll start to see some of the bad things coming out that the leading indicators have already indicated for us and said, okay, things are not good. So I think when we stand by October, November, I think things are very much different. And I actually think that will be the point already where we see the Fed, will change course, and we will see that they'll start to stimulate again. So I think by the end of 24, the Fed will be very much engaged again in stimulating the economy, because the deflationary bust. And let me just say this: a year ago, people were still a little hesitant and saying, "Well, yeah, we did see the top in inflation in June, but it's just a new low now, and then we'll go back up again." But we didn't see that. We actually saw exactly what I was forecasting, that inflation was coming down because it was due to supply and demand. And now when it's coming down, and the Fed has been so hawkish, and we still have this, now also with the recession coming in, I can tell you the deflationary bust we're going to see here will be something we haven't seen in many years, and it'll be bigger also, as I see it, than what we saw during the financial crisis. So I think it will be until we will be sort of safe until April, and then I think the waters will not be so safe more if you're long risk assets.